I'm intrigued. Marina Summers, is she a born loser? At masama ba ang ugali ni Marina Summers? Reelers, quick facts muna tayo. Pag-usapan natin ang ilan sa mga detalye ng ating pambato sa Drag Race UK versus the world. Una, Reelers, ang tunay na pangalan ng ating kalahok ay si Adrian Matthew Alabado. Alam niyo po, siya ay Gen Z dahil she is only 26 years old. Nung siya ay sumali noong 2022 dun sa first season of Drag Race PH, si Marina po ay nanalo ng 7 times out of 9 challenges. Imagine that, napakaraming beses, and yet, hindi po siya nanalo doon sa season na yan. Ang nanalo noong time na yon ay si Precious Paula Nicole. Siya ang ating grand winner. But si Marina po ay ang kauna-unahang Filipino drag queen mula sa ating bansa na nagko-compete internationally. Something to be proud of. Allow me to quote si Marina. She said, "Drag was her way of understanding and expressing her soji." Now, people are praising her for uplifting the Philippines on the international stage. I don't know with you if you agree with that, but having her represent our country in the UK gives so much pride to a lot of people. Isa na ako sa nagsasabi niyan. Now, si Marina rin ay, itong first episode pa lamang doon sa UK, nagsuot siya ng bronze outfit. And what does that represent? It symbolizes fighting spirit. At narinig din natin yung kanyang version ng Ama Caboguera ni Maymay. And we all are feeling proud about the lyrics kasi sobra yung courage, sobra yung ating masasabi mong, I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipino. And we are thankful for her for doing that. And lastly, yung kanyang success, although ongoing pa lamang yung show ng Drag Race UK versus the world, we could say na she's gaining success, and that serves as a reminder to all of us dun sa resilience and determination, not just ng Filipino, but also dun sa drag community as a drag artist na ngayon ay humaharap sa napakaraming pagsubok ng international stage nitong Drag Race UK. Now, Breelers, pag-usapan muna natin kung bakit may mga nagsasabi o nag-iisip na si Marina Summers ay masama ang ugali. Una, maraming tao ang nakakapansin dun sa lakas ng loob niya, to the extent na people are saying masyadong maangas si Marina Summers. Probably, pwede nating sabihin na kaya hindi rin siya nanalo dun sa unang season ng Drag Race PH. Pangalawa, she's always trying to prove something, thus showing high competitiveness. Very competitive po si Marina Summers. And so, dahil tayo ay Pilipino, hindi din tayo ganun kasanay na makita yan sa mga Pinoy. Pangatlo, si Marina Summers knows what she wants and what message to tell the world. Bilang Pilipino na hindi sanay sa modern Filipina style na pinapakita ni Marina Summers, people are saying that masama ang kanyang ugali. And so, dahil hindi nga tayo sanay, nakakabigla yung kanyang pamamaraan. Lagi na lang parang may ipinaglalaban, parang gusto na lang, everybody listen up. Yung angas ng kanyang galaw, angas sa pagsasalita, not a lot of people are appreciating that. That's why they're thinking, probably masama ang ugali niya. But you know, as a Filipino, I could say that I am proud that Marina Summers is showing that authenticity of herself. And we have to appreciate that. Because as a modern Filipino, as a modern Filipina, you have all the rights to feel that way. You have the rights to show courage, to show who you really are, and that you could compete against anyone else, not just locally, but internationally. That's why. Ngayon, sinasabi din na si Marina Summers ay laging talunan. Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Una, maski na 2019 pa lang ay nag-drag na si Marina Summers. Yung first season ng Philippine Drag Race, 7 times nanalo out of 9. Pero si Precious Paula Nicole pa rin ang nanalo. Anong nangyari? this brings me back to the time where si Charis Pempenko, so allow me to mention her name, natalo kay Sam Concepcion, if you remember that. Also, meron din tayong yung mas recent, si Darren Espanto, natalo naman kay Laika, if you remember that. Ngayon, parang mga talunan sila, and yet, bakit sila yung mas malaki yung airtime sa ngayon? Bakit mas maraming opportunity na dumarating sa kanila? If that's the case, I could say that being a talunan is not so bad after all. The point really that I'd like to share with you, Reelers, is that not because natalo ka sa isang laban ay you have to stop. That's one. At pinapakita ni Marina Summers sa atin yan. Pangalawa, not because hindi ka nag-succeed sa isang endeavor mo, ay hindi ka na magsasucceed sa mga susunod pa. In fact, probably, kaya din siya natalo, ay may mas malaki kasi siyang stage. And look at where she is right now. Not to mention, isama na rin natin, medyo indirectly pareho, si Catriona Gray, who didn't win the title of Miss World and yet became Miss Universe. So is it also possible na yes, talunan nating naaalala, siya ang pambansang runner-up, si Marina Summers, and yet, she is telling us, showing us, telling the world that although I'm a loser sa Philippine stage, I can be a winner. Lalo na dito sa Drag Race UK versus the world. Now, Breelers, why are we featuring Marina Summers? Obviously, it's because of the pride that she's giving all of us. I appreciate the type of authenticity that she's showing the whole world. Sabihin man ng mga Filipino na hindi sanay sa masyadong malakas ang personality na masama ang ugali niya, that's alright. That's never going to be an issue for as long as you are authentic and true to yourself. Because only when you are authentic, you get to show your full capability and creativity. That's why. And lastly, talunan ka man sa buhay mo ngayon, it doesn't mean na forever ka nang magiging talunan. And even if you don't get the title, dahil title lang naman po iyan, ang pinaka-importante ay yung pagmamahal ng tao, ng netizen sa'yo sa ginagawa mo dahil na-appreciate ka nila. It's all about that. Titles are good to have. But eventually, even if you have that, you might no longer be relevant. But even without titles, you can always be there because your talent, your passion, your love for what you're doing will always shine. And so, Breelers, makinig, panoorin, maging proud ka din naman kay Marina Summers dahil she's making a name for herself and for our country.